1 2 1 2. All right, mic should be working. Let me lower this. What's up, guys? Great timing. Probably perfect for me in Australia. And I'm okay, nice. Good morning, Kastu. Good morning, Mario. Let me just make sure everything is working. I know that many people will look at this after. Not a lot of people attend. Testing bootcamp. See if we get some more people in before I stop. Okay, I alerted the server. Let me just. Hey, what's up, Latif? Okay, I'm gonna prepare the account for the backtesting. 1 second. Turn off this. Open range model. Yeah. Okay. How many years will we do the backtesting? Well, let me think. I don't know how fast. We will do 1 year. It starts with that. Yeah, let's start with 1 year. Let me reset everything. Okay, let's do this. Damn, my hands are cold, man. What's up, Luki? Hey, possible turn up the mic. I'm on full. How about now? Does this work? 1 2 1 2. What's up, means? Hello, side. New here. Welcome. Ricky, Zaxiel, Max. What's up, man? Flavien, some serious result. Let's do it. Nice, nice. Mike is good. All good. Okay, shall we start? It's good here. Okay, I assume you guys know the model, right? I don't have to go through it. If you don't know the model, here, let me send in. You can read about it. Is it possible to share it? Ah, there. Okay, there you have the model. Try to follow. I will go quite fast through everything. And you can rewatch the video after. It will be really simple. Okay, so for example, you know what? Where is that? So I'm gonna do, I'm gonna gather the data on the paper, right? I'm going for the old school style. But then I'm gonna add it to the bank in the Notions, of course. Okay, let me just make sure everything is set and ready. Notion. Yeah, okay, there you have the rules. Choppy open. Then we got directional open. Directional open. Attempt. And then bias induced. And that just means we are aligned with the profile framing. Okay. I don't know how to document the attempt. Let me check. A1, A2, A3. I think that's it. Sire, long time. What's up, man? All right. Yeah, let's go. So we open up quite sparse, as we can see. When I mean sparse is that we open up with directions, right? So this is not a choppy market. This is a directional one. Okay, wait for IVB activation. There you go, IVB activated. Now we can take this 1530 till 16 o'clock. Wait for retest here. And profile framing is bearish, so let's see. Wait for price to reach up here. Keep in mind, we're gonna gather data on two things now, right? When we have a choppy market open and when we have a directional one. Okay, no entry. We didn't get the tap up. Still wait. Okay, there you go. So I'll wait for absorption. Sellers, buyers getting absorbed here. Okay, let me just remove this. What's this volume profile? Time is already past 5, but let's not be so fixated. We want to see if they destroy these guys. We look for the retest. If they get accepted and go higher, we go next day. Okay, next day. And I'm not looking at the chat, guys, if you're writing, so you know. Okay, bias bearish. Oi, 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 what is this, man? Okay, wait for IVB activation. Okay, this is a choppy open. Mark it out. 1630. Where's the retest? All the way up here. You know, these days, these are kind of outlier days. They're not so typical. And I don't understand why we have this big, like this many orders. Okay, if we touch protection level, we go next day. Okay, next day. Profile framing bearish. Choppy open. Bullish. Okay, here's the reaction level we wait for. I don't wanna how you say increase the speed of the tape too fast because I might miss the trade. IVB hit next day. Choppy open. IVB hit or the protection level. Okay, let me go next day, next week actually. Does everything look clear for you guys? Let me just make sure. Is the IVB on screen of pause near? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, okay, I see. Yes, what is IVB activation? It's IVB active when we go trade above with volume. What are the rules for IVB break? Do we need to break with big can? The model, the built-in IVB model is gonna tell you. I look at the top left. You see when it's neutral right now, but look when it activates itself. So we break above. Now it's bullish. Bias is up. That's basically it. Hi, mate. What's up, cakes? Good, clear. Okay, nice. We continue. And I know we're not looking at other type of models right now, but you guys already know that. So we are not. Oof, this is real. I hate these days. Usually I lose on these days when I see something like this and try to play it. Okay, what is the bias? Technically bearish, but all right. So we are going against it. Oof, these days are so bad. Wait for absorption of sellers. Man, this is such a shitty. Yeah, okay, we can try it. I usually call these days outlier days because they are so... Yeah, what is this, man? Look at this big cluster. protection level is higher. Now in the trade, like the entry, it's a little bit discretionary. This will be not the same for everyone. Okay, there we got a nice reaction. Yeah, this is a directional day. This is not a good area to take a trade. We have to take trades, right? We have to test the model. In this case, how would I enter? We got a fat absorption at the top. To be honest, I don't think I would enter this trade. What's up, Rio? Yo, what's the indicator on the top? It's IVB. So you enter when enter the trade when it breaks. No. I wait for absorption right now. So we have the break, retest. We just got it. But this is this is an outlier day, right? It's not clean at all. I will not really trade this, but we have to do it for the purpose of the backtesting, right? I want to see if I can get something. Right? Sellers took control here. Nah. I skipped this day. Not gonna trade that one. Okay, this is quite a choppy open. Bullish profile framing. Okay, let's see. Wait for breakout. Opa. Okay. Do you see how many times the protection level gets met? Keep that in mind. Obviously now we're just testing for this model, but later we will test for a model where you take the continuation play, right? Okay, bearish. Here's the retest level. There you go. Okay, wait for absorption. There you have the buyers. Let's see if they get absorbed. No. No, we're not gonna take so many, huh? What is this year? This 2024, man. What are these? It's like it's not playing out at all. 2025 though is really good. I usually did all of my backtesting on that year. But hey, we gotta test, huh? And what the hell is this here, man? Here's the retest. Look at this cell delta level, by the way. Okay, absorption. We did not touch protection level. We are against the daily bias. LA profile frame. Oppa. Some people like to enter like this. They don't wait for the reaction. I wait for the reaction. So reaction. Then I can take it. First attempt. I usually cover myself really tightly. This will be the first attempt. Let me just make sure. Stopped out. Wait. Is this open? This is... I don't know what to classify this is. Is this a range or is choppy open or is this a directional? What do you guys think? Is this directional or choppy open? And we were taking it against bias, right? Yeah, we took a sell. Man, I don't know what this is. Okay, let's just trade it out. See if we can get it. Range. Can you make a video talk about IVB? Yeah, sure. Second attempt. We take 3 attempts maximum, nothing more. Oh yeah, how did that take me out, man? Wait, what? Hello? Stop loss was up here. Okay. We're gonna... What? Okay, we count this. We count this. It's fine. 1 to 1, we go break even here, right? And 1 to 2 is the aim. First attempt was a loss. I'll put a 0. Second attempt. If this meets right here now, that's a win. Okay, that's a win. You said range, right? Okay, we put that as 1. Was it against the bias? Yes, it was. It was a sell. So yeah. Okay, that was the first trade technically. No, we took 2 trades. Now, keep in mind, guys, I'm gonna have this aggressive approach where I cover myself right above the wick. You can play for this. It's up to you. And then you can go for aim for the protection level. But I don't really do it. And yeah, so in this case, yes, it can play out. I cover myself against the wick to maximize win rate, right? Risk reward. Nice. Second attempt, we got a win. I like it. Next day. What is bias? Technically it's inside day, but Okay, bullish. Calma, calma, man. Okay, reaction level right there. This is sparse. Look for sellers, absorption. Still waiting for sellers. Okay, nothing. Yeah, this is well out of time. It's overtime. I'm not gonna stay too long. Next day. I believe that was a bank day, by the way. Protection level hit. This is a directional day. Went past. Hopefully it's clear why I skip days so fast, right? It's I hope that makes. Why can't I go? Next. Choppy open. What is bias? Oh, look at that. Okay, there's a retest level up there. Perfecto. Okay, let's see for some absorption from buyers. This is not good, but we're still gonna take. What was this? Yeah, this was a choppy open. Okay. What model is this? Barely. Yeah, we are gonna test this. Opa. Okay, wait. It's gonna be this for the first models. And this one, yeah, I don't know. You can cover above, I guess. Try to take the absorption, see if this is gonna hold. It's gonna maybe take us lower. It's gonna be this in the beginning because we're testing the model, right? And it's not so many executions, but We're testing one model only. 2025, we get a lot more opportunities. It feels like 2024 is really shit, to be honest. It's like it sends it before it gives an opportunity. And in this case, maybe the trade is gonna, yeah, this is gonna go against us. Okay, that's first attempt. I don't want to go to 2025 directly because that's like, we have to include the shitty years as well. Hey guys, this is backtesting. What can I say? Okay, bullish. Where's the protection level? Hello? What's up, Ping? So far 2 trades only, but we are up, so. Okay, seller's absorption, let's see. Man, I hate when I get something like this. This is a fat candle, it just doesn't give you an opportunity to enter. Not for me, at least. This is only the first month of January, right? Can be the case as well. I think we will find more success, like more possibilities of this model in February and March rather than January. And this in itself is a good indication of the model. When you can anticipate to play it based on the months. Oh my days. I'm gonna play through the whole month and then I can stop, and if you have any questions. Yeah, what is this month? Holy shit, we get no possibilities. We get 0 trades, literally. And when we get, look at the activation. Oh wait, let's see. Okay, maybe now we get something. Yeah. Okay, here's the test level. Wait for absorption. There's the buyers. Yo, we got like 2 opportunities this whole month. Fucking shit. If this doesn't give us, then we got... That's fucking crazy. Okay. Bias is... Profile framing is bullish. Trying to take a sell in this for the protection level. No, we're not even getting a chance on this one as well. Okay, we're soon past January. Seems like it doesn't give many opportunities, this one. Okay. Wait. Pause, man. Okay, here's the retest level. Now we're starting to get more opportunities. Closer towards February. Okay, wait for absorption. If we accept below here, that's technically... Wait. It becomes an absorption if we destroy these buyers. Look at the week. Biases. This was ranging last day. Okay. Week on week means absorption, so they are holding it at the top. See them destroy them, at least. Now if we get a flip, that can be an opportunity because these guys got destroyed. And yeah, in this case I could cover myself. Where can I cover myself? Here, 160. Okay, let's just try to get past this month because it's clearly not in our favor for this month. Nope. Okay, last 2 days. What the hell are these? Okay. Ah, come on. First attempt. But we can go for... What is this? A bank holiday again? Okay, second attempt. Let's see. Yara. Take me to it. Wait for 5 seconds, but maybe wait for close for the retest. And it went. Okay. Missed the timing. Screw this January month. This was shit. Holy shit. What the fuck? Yeah, we missed that one. Now we got one more day. 1 second. Then we pause this shit. What happened here, man? And we touch protection. Okay. Wait, one more. 31st. No, it didn't come up. Okay. Okay, first month done. We're gonna go through fast through every month. Okay, do you guys have any questions? Is it clear why we are skipping so many days and it's going like this? If we don't get it, we go next day. Is that clear? We got like 3 damn attempts. And I know we don't take many trades because we're testing one thing, right? Once we pass this, then we're gonna look for continuation play. Then it will be more opportunities. Okay. Any questions? Is it clear? Yeah, Captain. Clear. Yes. Okay, nice. We continue. Okay, bello. Hopefully this month we get some opportunities. We had, what was it? 3 attempts on last one. Oppa. This is pretty shitty. Okay, nothing. And we only look for the IVB activation in one side. I'm gonna skip the rest of the day, like even if don't wanna waste time. Okay, this one is open directional. Bomb. Nice. Retest this up here. Okay. What I'm looking for right now, I forgot to mention that I should talk through you guys. So if they recover and destroy these sellers, that's technically absorption, right? So that can be an opportunity. But if this candle now closes up here, it's not an opportunity anymore. It went past us. So in this case, we recover them, right? We destroy them. We can look for the retest. I want to see the reaction. Come down here. Come down. Flip and go higher. Oppa. Yeah, this can be a first trigger. I don't like it though. We have to take it for the backtesting. Fuck it. One, two, four, right? First attempt. And we go break even here. What was it? 235. Okay, it doesn't matter. We will. This is the level. Break even. Can look for another attempt. No. Okay, went without us. Bias was bullish. First attempt. Break even. Okay, we're not gonna play the moment like the continuation plays. So we skip the day, go through. Keep also in mind, you don't have to have the same entry like me. You can cover below, right? Quite deeper. I just prefer to do it this way to get more risk reward. What is this, bro? Oh my. Okay, bearish. I want to see how many people will stick through all of this backtesting and not like bounce, because I know that backtesting is boring. This is the work you have to put in. It will go like several days, you don't get the setup, but this is exactly why we do it. Okay, let me go. Okay, directional open. Bearish. Oof, look at the IVB test. O'clock. Next. Range. Damn, that shit hit fast. Okay. But wait, that's a bullish. Now it's neutral. Wait, let us give it a real breakout. Okay, nice. Now it's bullish. 16 o'clock. Wait for some absorption. Keep in mind, look at this. This is value area high on the previous day. Gives a test, man. Come give a test. There you go. I like it. First attempt. 125. Okay. Was this a directional open? No, it was a choppy one. Okay, stopped out. Next attempt. I'm gonna try to take more trades just to get more data. So trying to follow the protocol too harshly will just result in actually too little data. So let's execute to get something more. In the end, we're doing backtesting, right? We're not trying to get funded here. Third attempt. No, that's second attempt. Okay, last attempt and that's it. Come on, flip it. Flip it higher. Okay. Yeah, we can cover this. This is the last attempt. If it goes, it goes. My bad, guys. Should have stopped to break even. Okay, it's fine. Where did we enter? Here, right? Ah, okay. It was... misplaced it. Nice. That's a win. So on third attempt, it worked. 1 to 2. What was it? Choppy. Bias. Bullish. Bello. These days, skip. Not worth it. What the hell are these days, man? Okay, we skip these days because these are outliers. Opa. Wait for retest. Touch, go next. Man, the IVB level always gets hit, I swear. Okay, down here. There you go. Okay, we're at the level. Wanna see some absorption of sellers? Opa. Okay, we try it. First attempt. 660. Up there. 1 to 2. Okay. Choppy open. Bias was, this is a Monday, so. No, this is just falling. Go next. Next. Okay, directional open. Okay, I will go through this month, then we can talk little. See if you guys have anything on your mind. So we're going through 2 months every session for this model. Okay, okay, wait. Now, absorption of buyers. See a reaction. This is not good. It should be like fast. They're holding it. They're most likely gonna take the high. Okay, wait. Okay, first attempt. Second attempt. I had a good feeling that this one would go. Yeah, we can jump in a little early. Second attempt. 1 to 3. What's that? 1 to 2 for 600, 800. Okay. I don't know, something like that. Okay, last attempt. Now it's looking really good. This is a juicy trade setup. Now if you look for the flick, and what I can see right now as well is something from my other model, my most beautiful one, the B shape. Okay, I know we're not testing that model, but look at this. B shape, B shape. If you see absorption at the top now, then it's so beautiful. Yeah, pretty much here. Try to take the push back to poke. Okay, that was the last attempt for that model. All failed. Bias was bullish, we took sells, so not right. Okay. Okay, a little more. Some days left. This is a bank day. Go next. Okay, bearish. See if buyers get destroyed. We are in value area. No, we're not. That's the retest. Yeah, we can try it. Screw it. We take some sec. 1, 2, like this. Okay, first attempt. Okay, win. What's that? Directional opener? Yeah. First attempt. Bias. This is a Monday. Okay, go next. I think you guys gonna look forward for the trend model. Then you will see many executions. Really many. Okay, sellers. Try it really damn tight. First attempt. 1, 2. I don't know, man. Where is it? 290. No, 280. Ah, man. Okay, this one is break even. Second attempt. Try it again. First one was break even. I just don't want to bother putting it to break even. No, this is... Was this a break even? Where did we enter? So when I say it's a break even, it's because we go 1 to 1, right? I don't want to bother putting the stop loss. No, this is not break even. Okay, last attempt. First break even, 0 on the 1. This is a choppy open. Okay, last attempt. That's it. Next. This is a directional open. Holy shit, this year? 2024? Garbage. Garbage. Model did not perform good. No. Still in the range. Go next day. Okay, bearish. Wait for the retest. All right, guys, we're soon done with it. 26th. Let's go. Okay. Go next. Yeah, it seems like we're ranging on the profiles. Okay, bullish. Accepted too low. That's over. Wait. Here's the retest. So in this area, okay. Seems like they're holding it. You see the test on this week came up, boom, send. Okay. man. You know, before when I backtested it and I did it like this, I told myself, okay, I'm gonna just do this. But then you see the every other opportunity, you're like, ah, man, and you try to take those instead. But then you fuck up the data. That's the point. So I gotta restrain myself from even looking at the other setups. Pretty much, yeah. Time is 18. That's this too far off, too late in the day. We try to round off after 5 o'clock Central European time. Protection level hit. Okay, that's it. Yikes, not many trades this year at all. One break even, one win. We still ended up, but it was a really dull and boring 2 months, not gonna lie. Okay, time is 14. Oh wait, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna pause here. We got one win, break even, win, losses, win, break even, loss. We're up. How much are we up? Wait, let me see. Zero. So this becomes a 0. This was a really bad. We lost 3. This becomes a 2. This becomes a 0, and this becomes a 1 minus. Okay, -1, 2. Oof, that one was fucking annihilating us. Thing is, these trades that I took on this one was not. What the fuck is that? +1 or +2, 3, -1, 2, +1, 3, break even. And that one's technically is mine. We're only up one order. It's not the best. 2 months of backtesting. Damn, not many opportunities at all. 2025 we had a lot more. So okay, let me see if you guys have anything. I can't What was the start date of backtest? January 2024. Only 3 attempts? Jeez, I would eat my hands waiting for that to happen. Yeah, I know. It's gonna be like this, of course. This is the backtesting. We're gonna do one model at a time, so we're missing like 200 setups, just looking for one thing. Hi bro, can you explain that to how you see the bias? Profile framing. In this, it's quite fast because I just want to get through the days. So I don't put that much time besides from looking at the profile framing, and then I just look for IVB activation. Profile framing doesn't detect, like if we activate lower, bearish on IVB, I'm gonna go sell. If I activate bullish, I'm going buy. So it's not really looking at bias that much because we're just testing this. Bro, I see myself in the same loop. Bro, as soon as I'm break even, it hits me, then goes to my TP. Any suggestion? Like, bro, that's trading. That's really trading, man. You can't do a lot to it. You can't. Look for a re-entry, I guess. What is bias? I don't know. We're gonna do live trading in 1 hour. Then we can look. Wait for some triggers before going break even. The rule is 1-to-1, then we go break even. What triggers can I rely on, bro? Absorption. Let's say a shift in structure in Malta. Yeah. Structure by me. Oh, yo, you guys wrote quite a lot. You got nice. You have link of Notion from Pav. Yeah, exactly. You got nice English, my man. There's everything you meant. What time is that on? Well done. Nice. Tested the setup through over the weekend. Wait. Okay, here we have. This is exactly what I want from you guys. So look, like Tim just do here. Tested the setup through over the weekend, and here's what I noticed. Often the retest happens at IVB zone rather than value area high or value retest at value are quite rare. Okay. After that, I added effort on the 40 range and test for a month. Okay. Nice. Team, so I'm gonna keep testing it my way, but I would like you to test it your way as well, okay? That way, in the end, we have tested same idea, but in 2 different ways. I understood it. I can't wait to see others. Nice. Yeah, we're gonna get more opportunities with other models. This is what the hell is, like, not gonna lie, what are these this year? Seriously. I wanna, this is the important thing or the cool thing. In the end, I want to know how many people are still here. Because that's gonna dictate something. And it's you're gonna see it from statistics. Can you explain bias once more, please? In this model, only IVB. Otherwise, I look at profile frame. Now, in 1 hour, I'm gonna do my live trading session, like always. I always tell you guys my bias, okay? Just come there and I'm gonna go through it. We got COT report today. We got profile framing, of course. Then I wait for the first 30 minutes. Then I read effort versus results. Like, it's a lot of stuff. Tim is right. I did try last week, David. Nice. Yes, nice, Kastu. Can I ask where I can get the chart using It's Not Trading View? How do I get your setup? Okay, it's in deep chart. I have published it in Learning Archives. in the Discord, you can find the templates there. It's under, how can I say it? Deep chart templates. I have it published there. Yeah, I'll continue testing through April and then share how it goes. Nice, nice. How do you not get confused with all the stuff? Like, what do you look at when live trading? Ooh. Learning art. Yeah, no, wait, let me see. 1 second, Qasim. I'm just gonna see. What is it called? Nomad's library, my bad. Nomad's library, and then go to archives. And then in there, you will see deep chart templates. And I published the most recent ones right there. Okay, Qasim, regarding your question, how do I not get confused with all the stuff like what do you look at when live trading? Okay, I know that you've been in my live trades, but here we can maybe play this day. Okay, this is a day. Has it started? What happened? Okay, bugged. Did it give up? What happened with the... So I don't get confused. My brain, I'm looking for quite a bit of stuff. That's the thing. So I have 3 models, right? And I'll keep scanning for them all over the time, like every time, and I'm gonna go through them. Here we can play this day, for example. So the first model that I always look for is the one that we're checking. Now 2024 seems like a shitty day to try it. I don't know. Here's the test. Here's some absorption from sellers. Okay, wait for a reaction. This is my first setup. And I also keep in mind, look at the left side. You see the daily volume profile? We are in discount and rejected 1 time, 2 times. Now we're here again. So it's even a high probability of it working. And also I got some other type of models that I test. So basic, wait. In other words, can't lie, I got many models, man. How to not get confused? Get 3 models, 1 for range, or how to not get confused, bro? You have 3 models and just spam them. That's pretty much it. Okay, I get you. Nice. Did you also look at like what I mean is with all different setups you have and models, how do you decide if this makes sense? That's the thing. This is okay. That's a really good question, bro. So when I'm trading, when I'm in the zone, I'm trading. First of all, that's also why backtesting is so. It's not the best. But first of all, you can read the pressure by just looking at how fast sellers are pushing, how fast buyers are pushing. Okay. So how do I decide what to use? For example, I don't know if I can show you right here. Wait. I just want to take this execution 1 second, bro. Hard to explain how one trades in a market when it's really discretionary in a sense. You read the market, you get a feeling of what is pushing, who is doing what. So when you trade, like here for example, I can read it like this. Okay, buyers are getting absolutely shit on, like absolutely shit on. At the same time, we are at value area low on previous day. We look for this. Say you look for this breakout. Okay, stopped out. Oh no, this is a break even. How can I don't know how to answer it, to be honest. What should I look for? Like, what do you mean is different? You have models who do you. How do you say if this makes sense? How do I decide if it makes sense? Reading pressure, that's one. Look at the reaction from the candles when it comes to a zone. Look at the reaction, for example, when it comes here and now retest. This gives me it makes sense for me that maybe I want to take a long if it flicks up, like it's if price is holding at this area like this is giving me more like probability of taking a sell here, for example, and try to take the squeeze. So it's like, how do I explain that? Like here, for example, you see what I mean? Like it's I don't know how to explain that. You see, if you rewatch this stream after, because your question is really how does that make sense? But that's like according to me, right? How does it make sense for me to execute here a sell, for example? This was a really simple. This is exactly how I determine when to do something. I purely read price action. I read how it acts, how it behaves. So there you have it. You had it real in front of you right now. Okay, for example, buyers stepped in, sellers got absorbed. Okay, price pushed up, came lower. I was looking for a long here. When price came into the zone, instead of doing something like this, like flick up, I call it the flick, where it flips the candle, so it comes now, zup, gives it like a fast touch and then flips higher, so that means that bullish buyers stepped in right here. Instead of doing that, what did price do? They held it. They held it right here. Price was holding here, okay? Then just because of that information, it means buyers are not stepping in here, right? So that's why we take the sell. Take the sell here. Stop loss above and look for the squeeze. Like, that's pretty much how I read it. I don't know how to explain it much more than that. And then I pair it with profile framing, with absorb, like it's many things. What do you think of goat funded trading? I have no idea what that is, man. What the hell is that? I don't know. They who offer like deep charts, they are not giving you the whole package. They are not. They're just selling you a rebrand. I don't know. It's not the same. I see that you're focusing a lot more on IVB lately than PB model. Is that because IVB gave you better results? Oh, no. No. IVB is my no. PB is my go-to. I'm gonna be honest, but you don't see it as often. And IVB is now. I've just been testing it quite a bit. But yeah, you're right in that sense. But if I had to select, PB, definitely. Holy shit, definitely. Check this. I love it. So in this case, for example, you know what I've noticed that I like to share with people is this. The more I focus on volume profiles, the less I win. The more I focus on pressure versus results, the more I win. So this is a PB shape, right? IVB activated bearish. This is actually one of the models we're gonna go through. Say you take this. Originally you want to take sell absorption at the top, but screw it. If it comes up, it gives an opportunity, we can trade. Okay, now we can maybe look for the absorption. Nice. Now this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. And I'm prone to getting stopped out on this. No. Now look at this. You can take this one. Or you can do it on the 5 minute. If you have been on my live trading sessions, right? Oppa. This is a shit thing. Okay, I'm gonna stop forcing trades, like, bro, it's okay, anything more. Will you trade on prop from today? Yeah, I will be waiting for the PV back test. Mostly yes, I am here. Yeah, okay, nice. On my recent, the thing is, you had a good question. I liked your question because you were asking how do I know what to decide, and it's actually impossible for me to answer it in a sense because I trade what I see, right? It's not like I'm not really looking for, I don't know, XYZ to happen every day and yara yara. Usually when I come into the market like this, I can play based on what makes sense. Like, for example, these highs. If we break above and we get acceptance above, okay, that is an indication for me that, okay, trying to take maybe a buy from value area low on this swing might be a good opportunity. Trying to, if we break above and we fail, maybe arrange it. Like, it's so many stuff, man. It's nothing I can. Fucking hell up, bro. By the way, my bad. My I drank some fuck is it called? I spent some time with some Swedish people like this week, just speaking Swedish, and I feel like I forgot to speak English. Most of your trades are discretionary. Exactly. Okay, you basically wait for something to appear and then you have a model in mind looking for it. Thank you. Fucking hell, man. Yo, I skip speaking English. Like, if I go back to speaking my mother line, my language, first day back when I try to speak English, it feels like I'm fucking. But yeah, exactly, Qasim and Said. And that's why I also feel like backtesting is kinda, depends on how you do it, but it's definitely not the same as live trading. Because when you live trade, think about it, you sit. Now when I go through a day, I go through it in less than 1 minute. When I live trade, I sit in a day for 1 hour. And 1 hour when you sit 1 hour and look at the price section, look how it behaves, look how sellers are pushing or buyers are you get a much better understanding of what you want to play. Nice first session in the bootcamp. It shows real patience. Oh, definitely. You know, in the end, I want to see how many people will be here. And it's gonna show you if people are in here till the end and take notes and do backtesting on their own. Like, I'm just showing you guys how I backtest. You take this, you go do it on your own. Look at Tim, for example, and you have Costube. You're gonna see stuff. You're gonna see some results. Because you're just getting better. I'll be backtesting tonight after getting deep charts. Nice. Indeed. Nice. No, but for real, and it's gonna benefit you because this is the power of backtesting. is really boring, and sometimes nothing happens, right? You see, we went, what was it? A whole month, nothing happened. But that's fine. How can I share this? Because look at this. When the day comes and this model is presenting itself, you know, right? When the day comes and this model is presenting itself, you know exactly what data, statistics, right? So it's not about, this is the power of backtesting. Here, you will know, okay, I know that I have a win rate of, I don't know, 40%, 50. Here, okay, I know that when this happens, I know that my result, I have a win rate of, I don't know, 60, 50%. And this is the power of backtesting. Other people, this is what they do. They come in and they look to backtest, right? I went through 2 months now, okay? 2 months, and we got 3 setups. 3 setups, bro. I can swear on this. Other people, they would turn off the chart after 7 days. And that's the difference. I trade Forex, so I'm interested in switching. Okay, nice. But just one thing, you take trade always align with IVB or not? Yes, that's the thing, Leandro, nice question. So IVB, this is the thing with IVB. I'm gonna tell you guys, you saw, okay, rewatch the backtesting after. Look how many times it touched protection level. Just look. This is what I mean. I want you to study this as well. Like on the backtesting, just like investigate, try to look outside the box, see what happens. For example, how can I say it? We already have data on it from Fabio and Andrea. So 20 years of data says that statistically we reach IVB with protection with a high probability. So if we have that in mind, okay, this is the IVB protection level, right? And it's a high chance that we will meet it. My only goal, the only thing I'm looking for is a trade in this direction. Because I'm aligning myself with the statistics, right? Now, if I get this setup, or if I get this setup, I don't care. I want to find as many setups that can statistically not every time, but over the time, give me an entry in this direction. That's the whole core thing. So yes, I always take trades aligned with IVB. However, if I see a chance that is in the opposite direction, I can take it as well if it's like makes sense, if it's super clear. But this is a small personal touch. The best thing to do is always take trades in IVB direction, the protection level, of course. Then you're aligned with statistics. Backtesting gives you an edge and gets to use to the market. Exactly. You know something, Pav? I've been watching Fabio for a while now, and I like how he used his deep effort as short-term bias, like who is in control rather than taking trades from. I need to. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, he does. Exactly, Quasem. And Quasem, think about this, okay? Like, you don't have to take my model, okay? But look how I'm trading it. I'm trading towards IVB, right? And we reach it with high probability. But you can implement his thing where he takes trades using the deep effort, like you said. So he looks at who is controlling or not. But you can take that approach towards IVB. Do you see how you are like forming your own model that's statistically should work? Really, it will work if you play it right. True that. Nice. When are we going to test the BMP setups? We're gonna go through this year of maybe we can start from 2025. I don't know. It feels like I want to execute more, and I know that we get more setups in 2025. But we're gonna go through 1 year of that, and then we're gonna go through 1 year of PB and 1 year of trend model. Almost every time, yeah. How does the trending day model combine? Trending day model combined with IVB. So trending day model, I assume you mean my 5-minute model. That's it. The thing is, this can be, all the trades are in direction of IVB. That's the core thing. How I take it, you guys can change it. You can do whatever you guys want, but this is how I practice to take it, because I see it occur, like it happen a lot of times. And yeah, take trades in towards IVB. You will see. How do I manually find the protection level? Highest delta. No. It's plotted. The protection level is plotted. Where is it? Okay, it's not active right now. Can you guys see this? The mod. Just wait. So when we trade above, there you have it. It gets plotted. Then you have exit average. This is the thing. Look how we can flip and we reach it on the other side. It's funny how this is the actual turn point of the day. The protection level, you see? Now this is not 100%. You obviously, I hope everyone understands. You see how many times it can fake you out. But according to statistics, we reach it with high probability most of the time. Now this day might be a ranging day. It seems like it. Like, yeah, look at the 5-minute. We're ranging today. So of course IVB is gonna fake out. When we'll have tomorrow 1 o'clock every day. We're gonna do every day backtesting session Monday to Friday 1 o'clock till we're done. Okay, I see. BRB, see you at live. Okay, take care, Casto. See you then. Is 50 mean IVB less accurate? Yeah, it's a more aggressive approach. The sweet spot according to Fabio is 30. So if you want to do what he does, then use 30. And I know that this the IVB is based on the orb, whatever it's called, but it's induced with volume, right? And how they get the protection level is pretty cool. Look at this. Maybe we can see if we can get something here. By the way, here is what I mean with my PB shape. Like, I fucking love this shit. This is so clean, so clean. Bam, bam, bam. Top, send it. I can also do one other type of backtesting with you guys, and it will result in much like many trades, but I think it can be beneficial for you. So what you are doing is we are just trying to analyze the straight on big orders, like, and just try to take trades based on that. and it will be very, very much traced. Like this is kind of how Fabio trades some stuff, because he does trade a direct. Fuck is up with my voice. So for example, I know that Fabio will be looking at this low. When this comes here, he can go break even, right? Because buyers stepped in here previously. If they didn't step, if they're not gonna defend here, we're gonna flush through this low. But this is the direct price action or big order analyze. I don't know the terms, bro. I know some people that trade like this. Only thing is you tend to get break even quite a bit. How many types in model do you have right now? 3. But then I got my own type of trade. Like some stuff are not even like it's not a model. Like take this for example. Some days I see that we are reacting really, really good to the big orders like this. On those days, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna play that today. I don't want to even look for other stuff. So I'm going day to day looking what is getting respected. Some days we don't give a shit about the big orders. In that case, I look at the volume profile because it gives me our overall view, right? Notion has 3 models. Yeah. For the backtest, yeah. Do you use gamma exposure? No. Okay, we're gonna take a break soon. I'm gonna turn off the stream and then I'm gonna prepare myself for live trading. If you have any question, you can ask now. Look at the reaction again. Comes up, fails. Okay, try it. Say you are really aggressive. You're like, yeah, I want to try to take the momentum, but keep this in mind. Week on week means absorption. It means that sell buyers are still holding it here. But the overall trend is bearish, right? So, yeah, I think it's a high chance we break this, then that we hold it. And the level I would look for, like where we get problem, is down here. And you can take like, who knows how many tries you can take on this, but you're in. What am I even yapping about right now? I feel like, yo, after the meeting I had, man, I was like, I got. See you in 1 hour. All right, brother. Thanks for the session. Nice. How many pay you got? I would say I don't count some payouts because some were like $100, $80. The biggest one I got was 800, and now I might sit on a big one. Depends on how this week looks. But I don't know, 6. If you count it like that, the small ones, I guess 6, 7, I don't know. 6, 7, oh shit. But if you count big ones, in my books, that's $500, $800, then 2. And soon, 3. And this one is gonna be juicy. And when was your first payout month? You know, I have the mail of my first payout. It's the only one I saved because it's the most... Oh shit, did I... Can I share this without sharing some fucked up details? How can I share this? I can show you the mail, huh? I only saved one payout. Okay, screw this. My sweet, beautiful thing is, I have my name here, man. I don't want this to be. This is my full name. Okay, maybe I can do this here. So this is the one of the ones I count at least. So my name is up here. I don't want to plot this. Oh my day. Oh, fuck. But yeah. Yo, this transfer number, what can this be used for? If somebody wants to look up the payout to see it's legit, you can search this up, I guess. I still didn't even pass EVAs, but so close. A lot of time I trade EVAs if they are funded. We're working. Okay, it's fine. Casting is good. Keep going at it. Sorry. It's okay. I saw nothing. Man, I accidentally. Oh shit. Fuck it. Okay, yeah, this is my middle name, so fuck it. At least nothing else is getting plotted, right? What happened if I... Bro, please don't fucking show my email. Okay, nice, yeah. Yeah, this was my first ever payout. Top step. €5, mate. What is your win rate? In the beginning of the year, dog shit. It was like, I don't know. What was it? 30%, 20. Later now, I have been live trading. You know, we can go through. I think if you look at my last week when I live traded, I have no idea how many trades we took, but I think we were up like at 70% win rate last week, just that. And the week before that, I think also something like that. So the win rate has gotten crazy for me. Like, it's really good. But I don't have a full year to give you a win rate. I don't have it, sorry. I have to really sum up all the trades, sum up everything, and then I can give you an answer. Stick hub. How long have you been trading? This since the bootcamp, like Fabio stuff, and then since I traded ICT before, right? But then I found auction market theory in the beginning of 2025. Studied it, traded it. Yeah, I don't know. Last year, 2025, that's when I took it for real, and that's how I accomplished my first ever payout. And this is the one. Hopefully people can't find my address or something by this transfer number, right? They can't. Maybe they can search it up and see. No, they shouldn't be able to. Join Jan, February and half of March. Terrible price action. Yeah. Man, we tested 2024 January and February. We got zero shit. We got no damn trade. So yeah, trust me, I know it's nice fun though. Alright. Can't get personal info from that over. Okay, nice, nice. Look at this. Bam, bam, bam. This is too early. You know, I like to wait for the price to come up here and then give me a test. So when I know that, I don't like to put it like this. This is such a big stop loss. So instead, I can put it actually where I had it like there. Take me out early. If that was not the timing. Wait till price comes up here to this. There's your touch. And if this flips, I can take the sell. So if this flips now, I like to take the sells. And then I cover, because it's like they went up, did their business. Okay, now we have left that. Let's continue. It's not every time, but you get what I mean. Second attempt. When this happens, usually I wait for it to take out the high as well this week. And then flip. But now they accepted. Now I can go long instead. They accepted above. And then I can kill it like that. Bro, it's like ping pong. You see how fast you have to like... And imagine if I can pause and tell people what I'm thinking. It's not gonna work. It's really not gonna work. Came up, rejected at the high. Or like at this level again. Now next candle. Wanna see the reaction? Look at the reaction. Opa, what a reaction. This can be a good opportunity to take the continuation play. There you go. Once it comes up here, I go break even. I think people will rather watch me trade it like this, like backtesting, than the models. Okay, came back. Okay, damn. Okay, now we're just playing fucking arrangement. I just found your channel yesterday. I'm going to watch your videos even it means... Okay, nice. Good luck with that. You know, I love this type of trading. I don't know what to call it, but I think I can call it like big order, or I don't know, big order trading. Look at this. Look at the reaction now on this sell candle, this sell level. So it flips. I like these opportunities. Then if it goes like this, obviously I have to respect the probability that it might flip again and then stop me out like it did now. But okay, now I didn't have time to put the stop loss in time, but I love these type of trades. You get like such a huge win rate, like risk reward. You can have something like this and you can get the squeeze. Like try it again. Maybe they did their business. It's done. On this type of plays, I like to go break even really fast because it can snap back like this and take you out, and that's your trading, man. Trading is fucking... But these can also go really fast and really quick up. Okay, let's try if we can get out of this range really fast, because this is fucking just painful. Week on week at the bottom. Buyers here getting shit on. Comes up, they're holding price, they haven't decided. Okay, now we came up. Good reaction. However, we have a lot of buying out here because of the week on week. Okay, my jump on Enot. I know for a fact that they stepped in here because of the wicks, but I accepted this risk, and I know that if we squeeze below here right now, we might get a flush down here. And he goes up and stuff me out. What the fuck is this shit? Trading. I will have to restart this stream soon. You see how the aim was always down here, but on the way down we got shit on. Like it's playing like it's playing with the food. Look at this shit. Takes you out, goes, takes you out, goes, takes you out. Okay, maybe I will have to redo the first session tomorrow. We pick a new year because I want to execute more. Oppa, look at that reaction from the big sellers. Oh, yo, on these days, we have a breakout. Buyers at the top, right? Failed. Then we usually have a day where we go up and down. We're just chopping up and down. On these days, applying the P-shape model is crazy. Or the trend model. Accepted below. Okay, I don't know. What am I? I'm just fucking taking some shit. How much do you risk? Eval, I can risk. It depends. $100, $200. Funded 50. It all depends, to be honest. Some days are really, you can't explain them. It's like boom, 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 bam, bam, takes you out, go left, right. It paints you a story. I don't know what the chart does sometimes, but trust me, trading is fucking hard. Whoever says it's like, yeah, you just do this every day, 9:30. Ah, okay. Big orders. Okay, one more minute and then I'm turning off the stream, and I see you guys for the live trading in 25 minutes. Oof, look at this. Close above. Look, if we get a touch, we have a gap. Ah, man, come back. And usually I've seen something like this. When we go up here before we come down and touch it, it has lower probability of working. Yeah. This has much lower probability of working compared to if it goes down at the beginning directly. The candle after though, if this reacts good, it can be a good opportunity. Week on week. Absorption, see if we accept above. If not, we might go lower. Oh my days, man. I'm so fucking... Oh. Hey bro, I just started learning trading. I want to know how much time it takes to learn it and get funded account. It depends. It depends. It depends how much time you put in. If you learn from somebody that knows, so in this case, go to Fabio, learn from him. So if you have a good teacher, then you can learn really fast. I learned really fast because I had a good teacher, Fabio. And yeah, I'm not anywhere perfect, of course, but he's going up. He's going up. He's going good, slowly but surely. So how long would it take you? I don't know. It took me 1 month of watching Bootcamp, 3-4 months of trading, live trading, and I have documented everything on YouTube, everything. So you can see when I started, how it was. So yeah, maybe it takes 5 months. I don't know, 4. Such a big difference than when you trade live and when you trade on backtesting. Good luck. Good luck, side. Hey, Pablo, will you live trade today? Yeah. In 20 minutes. I'm gonna turn off the stream just because I have to set it so it becomes correct format in YouTube. What trade did we take? Entry. Gather data. Ah man, you remember wait, let me play this day when we traded. I love to look at my trades. Wait, let me pause this shit. See if you guys can see. Alright. Yeah, and they're holding price in the area. Yeah, this is not strong as at all. Really not. How can I fix this? Most likely this trade is gonna fail. Ah, look at this trade. Wait, I think we got break even on this one. Ah, no. We took a long here. Okay. Yeah. And then look at the price action. You see the buyers here? I just want to tell you guys. Because I love this trade. Wait, you guys can see, right? Oh, my bad. Look at the buyers here. You see how we accepted below this big sell cluster, and then buyers stepped in here, sellers stepped in. This is a momentum candle. I love to see this, and usually I like to enter on them around. Want to see some more? Want to see some more? Look at the reaction. Now, you should enter. Because it flipped up, boom, and it gave like this quick reaction. Of course, you can cover yourself above the buyers instead, like this whole candle, but I like to be small risk reward, small stop. And I'm more prone to getting stopped out, 100%. Wait, what happened now? I love it. I love it how I handled this day. So when it accepts below here, I want to go break even. Because I want to win then. So after we go below the big sellers. So that. Oof, what a fucking trade. Fabio do not do any more metro training, isn't it? Oh, I have no idea. You know, he does Q2, right? I would say a year to get a good understanding of the market. Yeah, definitely. Thanks, bro. A huge activity at the moment on Nasdaq. Okay, you can. And then I killed the trade here. That's one. Where was the other trade? Man, I'm fucking. I'm trading better on live trading rather than backtesting. Like in backtesting, I'm doing, but I think I know why though, because it's when you live trade, you're really focused and you're in the zone, and you have a good feeling of how it's moving and so on. In backtesting, you try to like play it through really fast, so you don't spend as much time looking at the pressure, result versus effort. Check this. Retest. Bam. Enter. Stop loss below the wick. You can go break even there. Nice. Here you're floating risk-free trade. So when it comes back like that, usually you get stopped out. But let's see what, I don't remember what happened on this trade. Look at the reaction it gave on that big sell. Now if we accept above it, yes. Extend the TP higher, because that's the next level. But it's still risk, like it has some risk to come back. Exactly, place it below, take out money from the market. Man, my stop in profit, perfect. I know exactly how I'm thinking in there. And what I'm thinking is exactly like, I know myself so good. Okay, I'm gonna open the stream in 50 minutes. Let me get something to eat, something fast, and then we can go to the trade. Okay. You sure, right? This can't be tracked. Some guy said because of this, you can't, huh? All right. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see you in 50 minutes. We're gonna trade the bloody market today. The bloody bastard market. All right, see you guys soon. Bye bye.